coastland amist would spray, smeared with the pastels of dawn. A gentle zephyr whispers cool serenity to a hardy Sheol, bows graciously with ragged limb to the golden sand. Gulls will freely bleating their mystic, eerie cries. The soothing swash of the gentle surf plays peacefully with the golden shoreline, bringing gifts of coconuts and dates and big green glass balls entwined in the remnants of a foreign trawler's net. The drone of the beach comber's jeep and the squeak of its age-old brakes, the shadow it cast of a great metal beast, 10 times its size with its dull, salty khaki boldness. The sun's up, back to camp and back on the road. 100 leather-clad demons fused to the saddle of their mighty iron horses. Wind in our hair, loaded with packs, throbbing with power, reverberating deafness. The wearing wine of cams and chains, the roar and clink of 100 changes. She yells in my ear and holds on to me tight, her face in the mirror, her free-flowing hair, long and blonde as the sand, her eyes sparkle with freedom, her face warm with the glow of the peach dawn. Another invigorating